subtract first signal minus second signal. First signal minus second signal we have to do. First signal minus second signal we have to do. If you see all these parameters from 1 to infinite and here also 1 to infinite, okay, signal is present, all this will get subtracted. From the second signal, all the pillars will get subtracted with the first signal. So the resultant is nothing but only one pillar at origin. Only one pillar at origin. Only one pillar at origin. Height is 1. This occurs at origin. And this is the final diagram of u of n minus u of n minus 1. U of n minus u of n minus 1. Now I am going to the second diagram, u of t minus 2. U of t minus 2. So you have to take the appropriate variable t on x-axis, del of t on y-axis. Del of t means impulse signal. Height is 1 at origin. Height is 1 at origin. The name of the signal is unit impulse signal. Height is 1. So unit impulse signal. Now what we have to do? Del of t minus 2. Del of t minus 2. Time shift we have to do. Time shift we have to do. So right shift the signal 2 units. Right shift the signal 2 units. So minus means delay. Minus means delay. Delay means you have to shift in the same direction. Delay means you have to shift in the same direction. So height is 1. Okay, whatever present at origin, 2 units I have done right shift. 2 units I have done right shift. Okay. Now coming to the next diagram. Next diagram, first I will proceed with u of n. This is step signal. The name of the signal is step signal. Height is 1, so it can also be called as unit step signal. It will have perpendiculars, full positive axis. So dot dot dot. This is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. And this height is 1. This height is 1. And x-axis name is n. Okay. This u of n step signal diagram. This is standard diagram. They will not give in the question. Now what I want? U of n plus 2. U of n plus 2. Now I have to draw the sketch of u of n plus 2. Plus means advance. Advance means shift in the opposite direction. Plus means advance. Advance means shift in the opposite direction. 2 units. N is in the positive x-axis direction. Okay. Up to infinite signal is present. So this will also continue up to infinite. Infinite means we don't know the exact value. So after shifting also signal will be up to infinite. And a signal exists from minus 2 onwards. Minus 2 onwards. Now u of n minus 3. Now draw the diagram of u of n minus 3. So from the beginning, the original signal itself, you have to do 3 units right shift. Minus means delay. Okay, delay means you have to shift in the same direction. So n is positive. Here you can see u of n minus 3 means n is positive. In the same direction means you have to shift right side. Shift right, and the signal will start from 3, 4, 5, 6 like that up to infinite. Original diagram is from 0. The pillars are there from 0 onwards in the original diagram. Now right shift 3 units means the pillars will start from 3. Okay, however, height of the signal will not change. 1 in all these diagrams. Height is 1. Okay. Now you have to operate with the second diagram and third diagram. Now you have to operate these 2 diagrams. And what is the final diagram? What is the final diagram? The final diagram name is u of n plus 3 minus u of n minus 3. N plus 3 is the second diagram and n minus 3 is this third diagram. If you see from 3 onwards, okay, from 3 onwards, the third diagram entirely gets cancelled. So in the final diagram, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2. Okay. So minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2. All these pillars are having height 1 and x-axis is still 1. Okay, this is entirely time shifting. So x-axis will remain the same. Okay, now coming to the last question. U of minus n plus 2. First I will try to draw u of n. Step signal u of n. This is standard signal. Height is 1 for all positive side. Height is 1 for all this positive side. And this is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. And This is u of n, x-axis is n. And if you go with u of minus n, if you go with u of minus n, okay, origin whatever present, it will remain the same, and this will be up to minus infinite, and this is minus n, this is origin, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, and these are the heights. These are the heights. Okay, all the positive x-axis will be shifted to negative x-axis. This is u of minus n. This is u of minus n. Okay, now u of minus n plus 2. U of minus n plus 2. U of minus n plus 2. So you have to take this diagram. U of minus n means from this diagram you have to operate. So plus means advance. Advance means opposite direction you have to shift. And minus n means this side is present signal. Okay, so opposite direction means you have to shift this diagram right. Shift the diagram right. Okay, how many units? 2 units. So whatever at origin, it will come to plus 2. Okay, and all other points from plus 2 towards the negative side up to infinite. Okay, signal is present. Up to infinite, signal is present. Height is 1. This is plus 1 origin, minus 1, minus 2, up to minus infinite, signal will be present. This is the first term. This is the first term. Now you have to multiply the first diagram and third diagram. You have to multiply these two diagrams. Then what is the final diagram? Okay, you have to multiply these two diagrams. 1 minute. So you have to multiply these two diagrams, this diagram and this diagram, you have to multiply. Now what is the final answer? Okay, what is the final answer? Multiplication means 1 into 1. Okay, wherever 0 into something comes, the answer will be 0. You can see first diagram will be from 0 to 4. First diagram is from 0 to 4. Second diagram, negative side completely up to infinite it is present, but first signal is completely 0. When you multiply 0 with anything, answer is 0. So in the final diagram, negative side height is 0. Because first diagram is 0, negative side height is 0 for the final diagram into u of n. Okay. Now come to positive side. Second signal exists only at 0, 1, 2, and hence you can take only 0, 1, 2 in the first diagram. 0, 1, 2 in the first diagram. 1 into 1 is 1. So you will have 3 pillars. 1 into 1. Okay. 3 pillars. 1 into 1. Height is 1. X-axis it is 0, 1, 2. So after 2, if you see, first diagram is having pillars. First diagram is having amplitude. But second diagram, after 2, it is 0. After 2, second diagram is 0. Okay. So after 2, there is no pillars in the final diagram. There is no pillars in the final diagram. This is the final answer, u of minus n plus 2 into u of n. Respective points we are multiplying. Okay. Now I have a question for you. I will give you a diagram. You can try in your leisure time. Sketch first case x of minus t. Second question x of t plus 1. Third question 4 times x of t. Fourth question x of 2 minus t. Okay, for the given x of t. For the given x of t. Okay. Now the question is, the given question is x-axis, y-axis. This is x of t. And if you see here, there is a small pulse. Then again there is a height. Decrease, sharp down. And then on the other side, negative. Then this is the diagram. This is minus 2, minus 1, 0. And right side it is plus 1, plus 2. Here the height is 1 and 2. And negative side the height is minus 1. Negative side height is minus 1. x-axis, y-axis. Okay. Now coming to the solution, x of minus t. If you see the first portion, solution, first portion, x of minus t means all positive side, you have to bring it to negative side. So whatever on the positive x-axis, you have to bring it to the negative side. Whatever on the negative side, okay, you have to bring it to the positive side. You have to bring it to the positive side. This is the diagram. This becomes plus 2 plus 1 and this becomes minus 1 minus 2 and this height will be 1 and 2. Okay. And now this is x of minus t. X of minus t. Now similarly you sketch. Okay. Second one, third one you try in your free time. Okay. So you will have some practice. With this I am closing signal operations. With this I am closing signal operations.